Hi, I'm Suranjana Bauthakur. I head distribution and strategic alliances at Mirae Asset. I believe when women reach a certain position of influence or power, it's very important for them to possibly reach out to other women who may be looking up to them for support and who may be looking up to them for understanding them better. I believe with power comes a lot of responsibility. So there was a person in my team who had joined just after COVID, and when she joined our team, she had come from a service background, and she was coming into sales, where she was already grappling to understand the scope of the work and was trying to do a good job at it. But at the same point in time, she had a lot of commitment at home because she had two very young children to take care of, and she was somewhere feeling very torn between the two responsibilities. So at one point in time, when she reached a breaking point, she decided that she would resign and she would probably do well at one of the two things. At that point in time, when she decided, she came and spoke to me about it before putting in the resignation. And my conversation with her was on 2 points. Firstly, the fact that I told her that if you want to resign from an organization, it should always be at a high. Why I said this to her was from a point of view that I've seen a lot of women or a lot of colleagues who are women who have gone through this phase where they feel very torn between personal responsibilities and not being able to give it their best at professional side. And when they give up their jobs at that point in time, it takes a lot of confidence, it takes a lot of the entire process of really rebuilding yourself to come back to the workplace, and which is where I thought it was important for her to consider that at that point in time. The other thing that I told her was that it was important that she would understand from our point of view that as a team we would be there to support her, and if she would require to probably take a step back, work a little more from home, take flexible hours, we were ready to support with that. And when we did that, she actually decided to stay back. But when I look back now, I actually feel that when she came back, not only did she become a much stronger and resilient resource in the team, but she actually came back with a very different attitude, a lot more confidence. Today, she's somebody who's a very, very important resource in the team, and I feel that I've also built a very strong bond with a situation which we dealt together. I feel on this Women's Day, firstly, I would want to wish all the beautiful women out there a very, very happy Women's Day. But I would also like to leave a message that whenever given an opportunity, please do reach out to other women. Try to understand if there's any situation where you can help them, and maybe we can really make a difference then. With all this camaraderie, we can be a better world. Thank you so much.